Oh hey, thank you for tuning in. We are back with another How to Style Your Box Braid series on this channel. For this part 4, I decided to give you the whole look starting with my makeup. Check out the previous parts I have linked down below and let's just get started. Starting off by adding concealer to my lid, I will be using the NYX HD Pro Concealer in the shade 01. And then I will be blending that out with a beauty blender sponge. For the eyeshadow palette, I will be using It's My Ray Ray second palette. First, I will use the shade Flare for my crease, then Scarlet, and then finishing with Top Notch. I will be using the number 7 brush from It's My Ray Ray's brush set, and I am applying the color Flare to my crease. And as you can see, I am packing it in and building up on that color. Then I am using the number 6 brush to blend out that harsh lines. This is the part that takes the longest, but being patient is everything. What do you think? Now I am going in with an off-brand small flat brush and I am going to be applying that color Scarlet to the outer corner of my lid. This color definitely has that glitter to it. It didn't pop up as much. I should have just added more concealer to it, but we're just going with it. And now I'm going in with another off-brand flat brush and I will be using that to apply the color Top Notch to that inner part of my lid. I love this color. I think this color is so beautiful. It definitely has like a multi-toned pink in it and I just think it's bomb. So now that that's done, I am going in with the other brushes that I used just to deepen up some of that color in that outer lid. And I'm just making sure that it is nicely blended between that color and Top Notch so that I don't have that harsh line. Now going in with the NYX HD Pro Concealer in the shade 04, applying just a few dots under my eyes, and I will also blend that out with my beauty blending brush. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC HD Studio Fix Powder, apply that to my face, and then I will be using this shade Shining with another off-brand flat brush and applying that to my waterline. I definitely love applying gold to any of my looks. I definitely think it gives it that nice pop. This has more of a goldish bronzy color and I think it just worked out perfectly. It's not too much. It looks nice. So of course there's no look without a highlight. So I'm going to go in with It's My Ray Ray's first palette, the shade Radiant. And I'm going to be using her number 4 brush just to apply that to my cheekbones and a little bit to my nose. But look how beautiful this highlight is. I love how subtle it is, but it really packs a punch because if you add a lot of it, it will just continue to just shine. So I don't like to use too much, but you can definitely see it. And now for these lips, I'm just going to be adding a nude lip, and right on top I will be applying some lip gloss. I did not want to add a lip color just because I feel like the pink was just, you know, a nice pop of its own. But if you love color, tell me what color you would have added instead of a nude lip. And this is the finished look as far as my makeup goes. I love the different shades of pink I have on there with the bronze under eye and highlight with the nude lip. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you leave me a comment so I can read what you think and we can discuss it. Now, as far as my hair goes, I'm really keeping it simple, and I am just grabbing a few of these loose braids in the front and just, as you can see, twisting them, and I will be pinning them back with a bobby pin. I will not be adding any hair thread. I will not be adding any more hair accessories. This is definitely just something cute and simple that you can do to your hair if you have box braids in and you don't want to do too much. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. But also stay tuned for the last video of this series. It's also a 2-in-1, so stay tuned for that. But until then, peace and love. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will catch you next time.